Hey guys, it's Josh from New Car. It's way too nice out not to do another Did You Know? Today we're looking at this 2022 Volkswagen Taos. It's a SE trim, which is the middle of the line. We'll go ahead to the back here. We have a nice roadside assistance kit as well as this nice first aid kit. So if you get stuck on the side of the road, you have all this great stuff to keep you safe and also help you get out of a jam. Let's take a look at what's inside. We have some nice gloves, rescue blanket, whistle, PVC tape, bandages, poncho, flashlight, multi-tool, zip ties, a reflector triangle, and some jumper cables. Now we have this first aid kit, all sorts of bandages, wraps, little scissors, even a little guide to CPR. These Velcro, you can put them on the side, on the bottom, up here, anywhere you want. So always be prepared and stop on in to see why everyone loves a new car.